Hello, everyone. This is going to be a tutorial on how to create a meditation video with Pictory.ai, which is an artificial intelligence editor. So let's just go to Google Chrome here and then go to Pixabay. Hey, and we'll do it on night. Okay. All right, so let's see what are some here that I haven't already used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, all right. So I chose 21 pictures. That should come to close to about 2 minutes here. And then once you're in Pictory.ai, the paid version, but you can also do this with the trial version as well. You just click on Create Project, okay? And it gives you a number of choices. You can go script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, or visuals to video. But for the meditation videos, I'm going to use visuals to video. So then you upload your first one. Make sure you've been keeping track of time here so that you can choose the right ones. Okay, so it should be that should be the first one there, and then you upload. And then once you get to this part, you can add tags if you want to, but then you can add more files. Okay, so start it off with Aurora, then Moon, then Tree, then Wolf, then Night, then Forest, then Hot Air Balloon, then Japan, then Night Photography, Nature, Universe, Moon, another moon, the lamp, fantasy, witch's house, football stadium, buildings, and a church. Okay, so then you can even see how many you have there. Okay, so then I must have missed some, but that's okay. All right, then you just go to proceed and it'll generate it. Okay, then you select your template. So I think there's a moon one. Maybe I've already used it. Is there a moon one? I thought there was. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And then you want to make sure you put your title. You're going to call this night meditation video. Okay. And then select some audio for it. Okay, so I'm going to search this up and go night. Okay, so I'll choose this night path. Okay. Just move that out of the way there and preview it. Make sure I'm sharing sound. Okay, so it ended up being about 1 minute 35 seconds, so that's okay. And then you want to click on generate. Okay, it takes about 7 minutes to do this. Just hang in there with me for this. And tells you things like 77% of companies use YouTube to host marketing videos. Videos are shared 20 times more often than other types of content on LinkedIn. Video and email subject increases open rates by 19%, click-through rates by 65%. Video boosts conversion rates by 80%. %77% of companies use YouTube to host marketing videos, so then it just repeats. Probably a little bit slower than usual due to Zoom being on. It's getting there. Video boosts conversion rates by 80%. And this is all done with Pictory.ai. which makes video editing a lot easier. I do have other video editing software programs as well that work well too. Pictory.ai is a good one as well. You can see some of those other video editors on my channel that I use as well. Pictory.ai is actually rather well priced considering it's an artificial intelligence video editor. I read an article online where it ranks second, actually, as really good artificial intelligence editors. And it does allow you a free trial as well, where you can do about 3 videos to test it out. And if you want to make sure you got the name right on this, if you're interested. So again, that's Pictory.ai, like that. So if you search it, you'll find it. Okay. So as you can see, something like that can be done in a very short period of time. You know, it's just generating the video. It won't take too much longer. Okay, great. Excellent. So it's all done. And then it'll pop up with the option to download it or to share the link or that kind of thing. Okay, so there it is. Like I said, it'll save to your projects and don't forget to name it. Okay, so this is how to do a meditation video, night meditation video. Okay, so that's now saving to my downloads. Okay. All right, and that is it. And then of course, it's marked as untitled there. So you want to go to your Pictory AI projects and make sure you name it, you know, so that you don't end up with all these untitled things that you don't know how to use. Pictory AI night meditation video. Okay, just press enter and it's fine. Okay, or even just click outside of it and it's fine. And it's that simple to do. So I hope you have found that presentation good, that tutorial good, and good luck with it.